Welcome to a Lantmannen Minute with Momma Linda. We've got 4 potato buns in our sandwich portfolio that I want to introduce you to if you haven't tried them yet. We've got a 4-inch potato bun, lightly dusted with flour, and a smaller version that is lower in sodium and also perfect for the kiddos menu or a little breakfast sandwich. We've got these 2 guys with a party on top with the seeded black caraway seed and a white sesame seed, and then a roasted onion potato roll. Our potato buns are made with real potato flakes. It's our 3rd ingredient in the ingredient statement. They're fully baked, web cut, non-GMO verified, and they're also vegan. They're hearth baked, which gives it that nice, flavorful crust on the bottom. I hope this creates a yummy memory.